What if you could turn your hand-drawn sketch into fully editable CAD drawing in just few clicks without tracing a single line? That sounds too good to be true, right? In this video, I will show you how I transform my concept sketch into a complete editable floor plan using Synapse. If you are an architect, interior designer, or architecture student looking to speed up your drafting workflow, this tool might completely change the way you work. I've linked it in the description box below. Now, let's get started. Let's start by opening Synapse in my web browser. This is the main dashboard. At the top, you will see Upload Floor Plan option. Click on it and simply upload the hand-drawn floor plan sketch you want to convert into a CAD drawing. Once the sketch is uploaded, it opens directly inside Synapse. It automatically detects that this is a floor plan and gives you option to trace it. Click on Trace Floor Plan and let the AI do its thing. And here you can see the result. The Synapse has automatically detected the walls, furniture, doors, windows, and other elements from the sketch. Now that the tracing is done, I am going to clean up and refine the floor plan according to my requirements. First, I will remove the original sketch and start setting up my presentation sheet. From the bottom toolbar, I will select the Page tool and create an A5 sheet. From the right-hand side, I can also customize the scale depending on the size of my floor plan, whether I want to work on 1:50, 1:100, 1:200, or any other scale that works for the drawing. Now, let's start refining the walls. I can simply select and drag the walls, delete anything I don't need, and adjust the geometry according to my design. If I need to add a new wall, I can do that directly from the bottom toolbar using the Wall tool. Simply click once to start the wall and click again to finish it. One thing I really like here is that the walls can have multiple layers. For example, we have the construction wall, plaster, wall cladding, brick wall layer. If you don't need these layers, you can simply remove them using the minus icon and you will have a basic wall. But if you want to create more detailed wall assembly, you can add layers. From the right-hand side, you can add a layer on either side, name it, set its thickness, add a fill, change the stroke color, and adjust the line weight. For example, I can add a plaster layer, give it a thickness of 0.1, add a fill, and customize the stroke. And just like that, we have multiple layered wall. You can also add hatches to your walls. For example, I will select the brick wall layer, go to the hatch, choose the diagonal hatch pattern. If it's invisible, I can simply go back the fill settings and change the stroke color. I will make it black and keep the opacity around 50. And now the hatch is clearly visible. You can also use the dropper tool to quickly match the style of one wall with another. But for this particular project, I'm creating a presentation floor plan, so I don't need the detailed construction. Instead, I want to keep the drawing simple and monochromatic, so I will remove the additional wall layers and use the solid color for this wall. I really like this pink shade, so I will use that for my presentation plan. I will also adjust the stroke color and line weight. Now I can select all the walls that Synapse traced. Press Shift to select multiple walls and use the dropper tool to match their style with the wall I just created. This is much faster than adjusting everything individually. For the internal walls, I will adjust the fill, the stroke color, the line weight, then select all the internal walls and use the dropper tool to apply the same style. I will quickly adjust all the walls and then we can move on to the doors and windows. Now, let's work on the openings. For the entrance foyer, I want the position of the door on the left side. I will select the bedroom window. From the right hand side, you can see all the configuration options. I can change the width, the height of the window, add multiple shutters, and even change the opening mechanism. So you have a lot of control over how your doors and windows look. For this window, I will keep 3 shutters and reduce the stroke thickness to 10. Then I can select all the doors and windows and apply the same stroke color and the line weight. I want the same visual language throughout the plan, so I will keep my stroke color and thickness consistent across the doors, windows, walls, and furniture. Line weight makes a huge difference in architectural presentation. It's one of those small details that can make your drawing look much cleaner and more polished. Now that the doors and windows are adjusted, let's move on to the furniture. I will delete the furniture that I don't need and modify the elements that I want to keep. And the best part is that I don't have to search for or import assets from somewhere else. Synapse already has an built-in asset library. For example, I can use the polyline tool to create the kitchen slab. I can enter the dimensions, create the shape, and then double-click it to edit the geometry according to my requirements. Once the shape is ready, I can customize the fill and stroke color to match the rest of my furniture. At the moment, I can't see my stove and sink because of the layer orders. So I will simply go to the layer panel and move the slab below the other elements, and now everything is visible. This is why layers are really important when working in Synapse. Next, I will remove the furniture I don't need and adjust the elements that I want to keep. Now that the basic floor plan is ready, let's add flooring materials. From the bottom toolbar, I can select a room, and Synapse automatically detects the enclosed walls and create the room area. From the Properties panel, I can customize the flooring using the solid color, hatch, or a texture. I will use the hatch for this project, and I can customize its color, opacity, line weight, scale, and rotation. I will apply the hatch to the different areas of the house and quickly finish the flooring. Now that the floor plan is ready, it's time to add furniture and other assets. On the left-hand side, you will find the asset library where everything is organized into different folders. For example, I can open the bathroom folder and browse through all the available options. There are multiple options for the same element, so I can simply choose the one I like and drag and drop it into the floor plan. For the shower, I will choose this one, rotate it, position it correctly. For the sink, I have the several options as well. And you can even find really small details like toilet paper holder. Personally, I love adding these small details because they bring a floor plan to life. They make the drawing more engaging and relatable for the viewer. I will continue adding the furniture elements I need by simply dragging, dropping, scaling, and positioning them. Since everything is organized into folders, it's very easy to find the assets I need for each room instead of searching for them randomly online. Now that the furniture is in place, let's add the annotations. From the bottom toolbar, we have all the tools we need: text, leaders, arrow, dimension, and more. I will select the text tool, add the room name. From the right-hand side, I can customize the font style, size, line height, color, and other properties. In some areas, you notice the Synapse has already added the labels automatically. If I want to create a more consistent presentation, I can simply hide those labels from the topography setting and add my own. I will copy-paste the text style and create labels for all the rooms so everything follows the same visual language. Once the labels are done, I can use the dimension tool to add measurements. Simply select 2 points and Synapse will create the dimension for you. I can repeat this throughout the floor plan to add all required dimensions. Now, if you want to make your presentation floor plan look a little more polished, you can also add some stubble shadows. I will take the rectangular tool, create a shape along the wall, then add a black fill, reduce the opacity, remove the stroke. This creates a stubble wall shadow effect that add depth to the floor plan. I will copy and paste the same effect in the other rooms, and you can immediately see how much more depth it adds to the drawing. And of course, we can't forget the plants and human figures. I will go back to the asset library, find trees, add them to the outdoor area. I can scale them, position them, and customize their fill color. I will use the same pink color to keep the entire presentation consistent. I can also reduce the opacity if I want a more stubble effect, then simply copy and paste the trees wherever I need them. Next, I will add some human figures, simply drag and drop them into the floor plan, position them and customize their color using the same fill. And that's it, the floor plan is complete. Now let's export it. I will select the page, go to the export option and choose the format I need. Synapse allows you to export the drawing as PDF, DXF, PNG, JPEG. For this example, I will choose JPEG. I can choose whether I want to match the canvas line thickness or use custom setting. Once everything looks good, I will click export and the final drawing is ready. And that's how you can turn a concept sketch into fully editable CAD drawing using Synapse. If you would like to try Synapse, I have linked it in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in the next one.